Hi guys, it's Cindy from Scrap Rat, and today we're participating in the hashtag FFF 2026. That's Finding the Fun in Feb 2026. And today's prompt is dragons, mermaids, and fairies. And we're going to make a envelope journal. I've done these before, and yeah, we're going to do dragons because, yeah, just because. So, you need to do this. If you want to follow along and craft with me, you need 3 envelopes, just a little bit bigger than your paper. And I have some dragon paper that I have had for a minute. I purchased it from a lot on eBay. So I don't know the creator of the paper. I don't know anything about the paper except for that it's pretty, and I've never used it, and I've had it for a while. So I'm going to use some of the stuff that I have as opposed to printing something. So if you know the creator of the paper, just let me know, and because I don't know who made it. But or I would give them credit. So this paper is half a sheet. It's, half a sheet of copy paper. And my envelopes measure, let's see, they're about 6.25 by 4.25. So we want to take all of our half sheets and fold them in half. And this collaboration is put on by Candy at Candy's Crafty Creations and Hazel. And I can't remember the name of her channel. Oh, I will link it. I need to write it down. It's I'll think of it. Just give me a minute. Y'all don't know, but it's like 4 o'clock in the morning here, so because I've been up sorting ephemera. My brain is mashed potatoes. Too many decisions. Okay, so you want to take, and you're going to have a glue stick, and you guys are going to have to bear with me this morning, whatever. And we're going to have them all folded in half, however many sheets you want. And I don't know how many this is. It was the whole little stack of papers that I had that matched. So I will count them for you. But you could probably use any digital that you want. You check your papers, make sure they're face up. And you're going to want to glue them back to back. And I find it easiest to stand them up. Don't let them touch yet. Don't let them touch. Get them lined up on your table so your spine's nice and even. And make me out to be a liar. That's par for the course. Okay. Let's try it again. Don't let them touch, Cindy. You just said that. Don't let them touch. Good enough. Good enough. Good enough. Good enough. It's a junk journal. It's going to be okay. Perfect's overrated. Okay, so we're going to take this one and we're going to glue it onto the back. because I already have all of mine glued together, so y'all didn't have to watch me glue however many pieces of paper this is. Oops. Get them lined up. I'm not happy with that one. Can you tell? I'm just not happy with it. But I think it's too late. So we're just going to go with it. We are just going to go with it. It's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Just going to change the spine on it just a little bit, just to get it up there playing with the rest of the group. And this guy doesn't want to be glued where he needs to be glued, but wants to be glued where he shouldn't be. That's okay. That was operator error. No fault of the paper. Okay. Now this, we are going to take and just trim this guy up a little bit. Is that just the one page? Yeah. Okay with that. Now we have our book block made. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oops, whoops. 11, 12. So there's a dozen. Nope. There's 13. And we're going to come back in and do a little something to the edges of the paper. But for now, while we're doing the other, we're going to set this underneath something a little bit heavy to hopefully hold it a little flat while we assemble our journal. So you're going to need 3 envelopes. You're going to take envelope on your right. You're going to tuck it inside of that one. Actually, we're going to take this back out just for a second because I got to make sure we got room to do everything. Okay. It's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. It's not too thick. Whoops. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Okay. We're going to go ahead and we are going to put some glue down all the way up to, oops, whoops, whoops, all the way up to the edge. Take it, we're going to set our book block in, our journal block. Just want to make sure that we have enough room in there. And this one, you can glue this one down before you do all that, but we're going to glue paper on top of it, so I'm not concerned about it. I'm trying to make this quick and easy. Quick and easy. And then this one, we're going to glue yeah, see, I almost messed up, didn't I? We're going to glue this one on the back here. So this is the one that we just glued down. We're going to glue this one to the back of that. So it looks like that. Mixed media on a shoestring. It's Hazel. Mixed media on a shoestring. Come on. Told you I'd think of it. Oh, see, that's too close. Too close. Too close. Okay. Now, you need to take your journal block back out, and we are going to glue him in here. But first we want to put down just a little bit of something to give it just a little bit of strength. I think that's pretty flat. Let's see. I have a couple of different blues out because really I'm out of making decisions. I'm kind of over the whole decision process today. I think we're going to do the dark one because it's kind of a purpley blue and I like it. So that's the one we're going to do. So we're going to go. Or do I want to do the lighter inside? Oh, me. Good grief. We're going to do this one. I already made my decision. Sticking to it. We are going to just check out where our border's at. And we're going to just give them a little snippy snip right there. Can I see where the line's at? No, not really. Not really, Cindy. Now I do. Oh, it's my bone folder. In case you didn't know, bone folders actually mar the paper if you're not careful. Obviously, I was not careful. That's okay. Perfect's overrated. It's perfectly imperfect. Like you and me. So now we are going to take our book block after we take straight edge and make our fold. No scoreboard needed, guys. I'm going to do it without one. It's going to be all right. I'm not doing this again, so it's going to work. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Oops. I'm just pushing the spine in a little bit just to give it some wiggle room. It's mainly because my envelope was buckling on the front because of the way I did it, probably, but that's okay because we can fix it. We still open our pages. Oops. Yeah, as long as they're not glued together. That one's gonna kind of, Yes, okay. This one. I'm just gonna make it work for us. Sometimes things happen. There we go. Okay, we're gonna take, yeah, I think I want that on the dark, on the very front. We're gonna kind of get a little guesstimate of how big we need it for the front cover. gonna have to work. Right? Right. Or we'll make it work. Not with this glue stick, though. Oh, Murphy. Okay, come on. There we go. Make sure I didn't put it on upside down. Okay, let's keep it flat a little bit. And maybe even add just a little bit of our glitter glue. Oops, that's a little much. Okay. And I guess while we're at it, we'll go ahead and work on the back cover. I think before we do that, I may perform an operation on him. Maybe. Let's see. It's laying a lot flatter now. Okay. I'm happier with that. Because it was not making me ecstatic. I can tell you that. But I think it's better. It's better. Yes. Okay, so let's see. We're going to do that one in there, I guess. Do him on the back, I think. Make sure it's face up. Yes, it is. Okay, and we are going to do some yarn for tie closure for it because I think we're going to need a closure for this guy. That's when you know you have enough glue on it, is when it's seeping out. I'm joking. You're going to have to cut me some slack tonight, guys. If you're new here, I'm sorry. It's not a good one. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. All right. We're going to hope and pray that that stays down. Okay, do we want that underneath there? No, because it's not big enough. How about this one? This one big enough? Yes. More than big enough. It's gonna be all right. It's gonna be okay. You know why my pencil's not working? This is my day. Do you see? Can you see that? That's a needle. That's my pokey tool, and that's why it's not working. That's this is my pencil. Yep. Looky there. You can actually see it. I tell you guys, I'll always be honest with you. There you go. And it's got a big wrinkle in it. And I'm honestly, it's going to be okay. I'm totally fine with that. Okay, now let's get it evened up on this guy. And I'm actually okay with that. Get this guy glued down. Oops. Oops. You gonna scooch down? Just no, you're not, and that's fine. It's fine. It's fine. And I probably squished it out all over the place. Oh my goodness, it didn't. Okay. I should have probably checked it for size, though, huh? Yeah, probably. That's okay. Looks like it worked out all right. No, don't wiggle too much. I don't think I can take another visit from Mr. Murphy today. Okay, now we'll let that dry, and then we'll tie the closure, and it'll be done. And I hope that wasn't too painful for you guys. It was painful for me. But some days are like that, and I would rather just finish it and not have it screaming at me from across the room that I need to finish it. So, yeah. But, so if you ever get stuck during a project, and if things don't go, just keep pushing on through. Just keep pushing on through. And it will get there. I promise. It will. You're not the first one to deal with an oops or a goof or something that just doesn't quite work the way you thought it was going to. And sometimes, well, we make mistakes when we craft, and you just got to get through it. So just wanted to say thank you for stopping by, and hope you'll come back. And I appreciate each and every single one of you, and thanks to all my new subscribers and to everybody who's been here from the get-go. And thank you very much to Candy and Hazel for putting this on. And yeah, so you guys just have a blessed day and go out and do something to spread the joy today. Do whatever you can to put a smile on someone's face. And be healthy and be kind and love one another. And until next time, guys, much love. Thanks.